Hello everyone. So in this class, I'm going to show you how we can save files from the 2024 and 2025 versions of Sketchup in older version formats. By default, these last two versions do not have this option. So if we go here to File, Save As, normally the previous versions would appear here. To do this, we will have to install a plugin, which is an additional tool. It's very simple. We're going to come here to Extension Manager, Install Extension, and look for the plugin here. I'll leave it in the description of this video and open. After it's installed, we are going to open the toolbar for this plugin. So let's go here to View Toolbars. We'll scroll down to this Save to Older option and enable it. So to save your file that is in 2024 or 25 to older versions, just click on the third button here in the list, choose the desired option, and click OK. And it will then open the window for you to choose a save location. Just enter the file name, test1, and save. I hope you liked it. If you want to learn SketchUp, we have a complete course that is also here in the description. Thank you very much.